Hey guys, what is up? Hopefully I'm clear. So the first part of the product, things which we ordered online about the Arduino and the other stuffs which are needed to actually, build the Arduino related products. So in this we don't have the ESP32, but we have the other products inside it. So whatever is inside it, we'll just figure it out. Okay, just hopefully I don't run out of my battery. So it is from, where is it from? What is the name? I just forgot after buying. Robo.in. So this is a website where you can order, these kind of parts online, and I think this is the way to cut it. I just don't want to hurry up so that I end up actually causing harm to my products. Okay, here's the bill. Let me just tell you what are the things inside it. So we have button, tactile buttons. We have temperature and humidity sensor inside this. We have ultrasonic range finder. We have servo motor, like 180-degree rotation, like from TowerPro, like SG90. We have like LDR sensor, photoresistor. It was like very less expensive. We have PCB mounted active buzzer. There's a buzzer, right? Buzzer module. We have lithium battery charger. I think USB, like that. What do I say? Like where we actually place the batteries, that carrier kind of a thing. So we have lithium battery as well, and that's it. No, I think something more is there. Battery holder is there. Yeah, male to male jumper wires are there. What do you mean male to male? I should have ordered male to females, right? Okay, I think I did some mistake. But okay, we'll buy it from this store if these things don't support. I mean, I'll search on YouTube if this doesn't support. I don't even have the ESP32, the Arduino module. Oh, sorry, I ended up dropping it. So here are the products basically. These are for protection, I guess. Let me just throw them. I'll not keep them here. I'll just dismantle them or throw them in the dustbin. Hopefully it's getting recorded. Yep, it is. Here is the buzzer. Can you see? I doubt you can see it. I really doubt you can see this. So here is the buzzer. I will not take it out now. I'll take it out later. We have this male to male jumper wires, and I don't know how many of these are there. I think 30 or 40. 40. There are 40. And this is the carrier, as I told you. Like it's gonna carry the battery, and as well as it has it has basically, it will provide the right voltage for our ESP32 basically. And here we have the servo motors. So yeah, 180-degree rotation. Okay, what's the next thing we have? What is this? Yeah, this is the same thing as this, I guess. Okay, basically adaptive flow for what? For the battery into our ESP32. What is this? Is this a buzzer? If this is a buzzer, then what was that? What was this then? That was a buzzer then. They both look like a buzzer to me. I think they both are buzzers. Yeah, they both are buzzers. 2 buzzers I ordered. Why? Set of why? And what the fuck is this for? Wait a second. Oh, these are not that. This one, I don't know what, if you can look at it. I think this is the pressure and temperature measure thing, sensor. And this was, ouch. This was the same as this one, which is gonna be used for basically converting that DC current kind of thing, to our ESP32. Oh, photosensor resistors, photosensor. What is it called? You get what I'm saying, which the thing which I read before. The same thing, reader kind of photosensor. So many of them I have ordered. 3 of them, I don't know why. Because of less price. And these are like ultrasonic sensors, I suppose. Yeah, these are them. Like an eye looking at you. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. And these are switches, the tactical switches. That's it for the video. I'll catch you in the next video, okay? When the second part comes, we'll create something. We'll make the LED glow by connecting all these wires and components, and we'll make it work. Till then, take care, be safe.